thought I knew the measure of grace, a little hope to fill my space. But you shattered every wall, broke every chain, more than I dreamed. You called my name.